Imagine your SOC running like an air traffic control tower, but with AI as the autopilot. What changes when humans and agents share the cockpit? Security work is changing, not the mission. Alerts still matter, but how teams handle them is shifting fast. Ticket queues shrink, junior analysts ramp in weeks, and documentation writes itself. This feels like magic, but it's engineering. AI woven into daily cyber ops. Leaders now ask different questions: how to keep speed without losing control, and how to measure trust. In this video, I'll show concrete patterns, risks, and a 90-day plan to build a human AI SOC that actually works. First, clear terms. Traditional machine learning spots patterns and anomalies across logs. Generative AI drafts summaries, explains exploits, and writes timelines. Agentic AI acts, opening tickets, querying SEMs, and orchestrating containment with approvals. Picture the difference like asking for directions versus handing keys to a driver. That change, from answer to action, is the reason SOCs are redesigning workflows now. Up next, where teams actually apply these capabilities in daily operations. Here are concrete use cases you can implement this quarter. Let AI cluster duplicate alerts, draft probable root causes, and propose next steps for L1 triage. Have agents enrich IOCs by querying threat feeds and attaching context. Use generative models to turn messy notes into incident timelines and executive summaries. For forensics, let AI propose hypotheses and highlight unusual log sequences. And for vulnerability management, prioritize by exploitability and business impact, not just CVSS scores. Next, why these capabilities matter at scale. AI changes 3 operational levers: speed, scale, and consistency. Speed. Playbooks execute in seconds, not hours. Scale. Models never sleep and process every log stream. Consistency. Outputs follow the same standards every time, which helps audits and handoffs. Think of AI as infinite coffee with perfect memory. But speed amplifies mistakes if controls are weak. That leads us to a core principle. Design human in the loop by default, not as an afterthought. Human oversight is a design decision. Treat automation like fly-by-wire. The system stabilizes, and the human pilots judgment. Auto-execute low-risk tasks. Require one-click approvals for medium risk. Mandate multi-person approvals for high-impact actions. Use a simple check. Ask, what could go wrong if the AI is wrong? And make approvals proportional to that risk. Implement visible audit trails and explainable plans so analysts can validate agent decisions. Coming up, the skills and roles you'll actually hire for. The security team of tomorrow blends security, data, and product skills. You'll need AI governance managers to map risk, prompt designers to convert playbooks into reliable prompts, data engineers for embeddings and drift detection, and agent ops leads to build and monitor agents. Expect new roles like AI security engineer and threat modeler for AI systems. These hires are curious builders who connect platforms, tooling, and business context. But governance and tooling must come first. Next, we'll outline those guardrails. Governance makes AI safe in security. Start with frameworks: NIST AI RMF, Gartner's TRISM Lens, OWASP LLM guidance, and CISA principles. Practical controls: inventory every model and data flow, enforce least privilege, mask sensitive data, and log all prompts and tool calls. Supplier due diligence matters. Don't let vendor models ingest your secrets. Monitor hallucination rates and label drift. Make approvals visible in tooling. Sound heavy? It is, but without it, AI becomes a liability, not an advantage. Most AI systems rely on cloud services and third-party models, so secure the supply chain. Enforce model isolation so vendors can't train on your prompts. Centralize secrets in a vault and rotate tokens. Segment networks and limit egress from agents. Log every tool call and scan containers regularly. Then assemble a reference architecture. Ingest telemetry. Add an AI assistant layer grounded in your data. Orchestrate agents with strict guardrails. Expose human approval UIs, and capture knowledge to retrain playbooks. Teams using this report measurable drops in detection and response times. AI adds new failure modes. Prompt injection can trick agents into leaking secrets. Models hallucinate confidently. Data poisoning skews analytics, and over-automation lets skills atrophy. Mitigations are straightforward. Strict allow lists for tools, input-output sanitizers. No trust defaults for external content. Human approval gates for high impact, and continuous red teaming of agents. Treat agent testing like adversary emulation, and keep synthetic data for experiments. If you want to stay ahead, you must test like you hunt threats. You don't need a 3-year program. Start with a 90-day roadmap. Days 0 to 30. Publish AI policy, inventory tools, stand up a secure sandbox. And pick 2 pilots like alert summarization and ticket enrichment. Days 31 to 60. Run A/B tests, add human gates, and start golden dataset evaluations. Days 61 to 90. Scale to L1 triage, integrate agents with SIEM and ticketing, and report clear MTTD, MTTR improvements to leadership. Attackers use AI too, so iterate, red team often, and keep people in the cockpit. Ready to start a pilot? If this roadmap helped you, like and subscribe for more SOC playbooks. Comment one pilot you'll try first, and I'll suggest a prompt to start.